this one. That was hard.
You found it? Yay!
It's there.
Oh, good job. Go put it in your basket.
Put it in your basket, honey.
Go put it in your basket, and then we'll find another one.
Oh, here, that was both. Yeah. That was both.
Yeah. Oh, that one's broken. Put it in your basket. Let's see if there's any more.
No more.
Let's see if there's any more.
No more.
There's lots more, honey. Remember all the eggs we colored for the Easter Bunny?
Look hard. Where else could there be some?
Let's keep looking.
Okay.
Maybe in your slide?
No.
You don't think so? Why don't you go check?
There's one that's close. Huh? That's look. Mom, look.
Yay!
Found another one.
Put it in your basket.
One time we found one. I said cat. What's cute? I said cat.
There's no eggs in there. Let's go over here, Virginia. Maybe over here?
Oh, this one. That's a purple.
Oh, yeah. What color is that one? What color is that?
Yeah.
Good job, Virginia. Good job.